Hi there, design enthusiasts. I'm Michael Smith, Applications Engineer for the manufacturing industry here at Baker Baynes. Welcome to the September edition of our Manufacturing and PEM in the Loop newsletter. We have some exciting updates and opportunities lined up for you this month, so let's get right to it. First up, calling all creative minds. We're inviting you to participate in the Fusion Maker Design Competition. This is your chance to showcase your design skills and creativity by creating a cutting-edge portable power station using Autodesk Fusion. But the deadline is just around the corner. Submissions close on the 16th of September, so there's no time to waste. And what's up for grabs? The winner walks away with the Lenovo IdeaPad gaming laptop with an AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card. Plus, you'll get access to our specialized training programs in Autodesk Fusion parametric modeling and CAM fundamentals. Additionally, you'll gain media coverage and visibility on all our platforms. The total prize value exceeds 30,000 Rand, so don't miss out on this great opportunity. Next, I'm thrilled to announce that we'll be rerunning our highly anticipated webinar on the future of sustainable manufacturing on the 12th of September. This CPD accredited event will give you 0.1 CPD points and arm you with the latest insights on integrating sustainability into your manufacturing processes. Whether you're an engineering manager, operations manager, or product development engineer, this webinar will provide you with actionable strategies to enhance efficiency and sustainability in your operations. Don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. To all our Autodesk Inventor users, did you know that we've got an incredible tool to support your designs? Our Inventor drawing template on transformation tools is designed to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across your projects. Check it out along with other value-adding content on tools.bakerbaynes.com. Looking to upskill? Don't forget to check out our scheduled training dates. Whether you prefer in-person sessions or learning at your own pace online, we've got you covered. Visit bakerbaynes.com for more info. As always, we're here to support you on your digital transformation journey, to help you keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing and PEM. Together, we can shape the future of these industries. Thanks for watching and see you next time.